Right Under the Wings, 82, Margot, Frank, Part 9. It's July 24th, 2026. I just made a quick change, dramatic change. I added a bit of color on the facial portrait. And there's going to be another big change. I'm going to be drawing her sister, 3 years younger, Anne Frank, on the right here, lower right. Black area will be her hair. And probably have allegorical sea monsters up here. Okay, oops, low battery. Gotta get another minute in there. Deliberating whether to do the drawing of Anne on this paper here. Kind of has a color resemblance to the coloration I did there. Or on this paper here. Of course you can't tell without the drawing how it's going to look. But, get some feedback over here. Thanks, guys, gals, boys. Okay. Well, I shall just proceed one way or the other. I had some ink smeared on here. I could just use white paper. Well, to be determined. Thank you. Okay, stay tuned. Of course, this is a Tolerance Education drawing in progress. Yes. And I looked online to find that the German and or Dutch or both pronunciation of what I've been saying is Margot, M-A-R-G-O-T, and learned it's pronounced Margot Frank, Anne Frank, and I think Anne's actually full birth name was Annalise. Okay, there we have it for now, to be continued.